Hi, my name is Paul Turner, and I'm doing a series of short to the point little videos to kind of show you what this thing called NLP can do for you. And this is especially aimed at kind of online marketers, network marketers. They tend to be the people that I tend to help, right? So NLP, if you're not aware of it, stands for neuro-linguistic programming. And this is what it allows us to do. How would you like to feel confident anytime you want to feel confident? How would you like to be able to get over these things that might trip you up? How would you like to be able to set your goals out in such a way that they're much more likely to become attainable? How would you like to be able to do away with negative emotions, limiting beliefs, self-sabotage? That's why I got attracted to NLP. Okay, so if you've never heard of it, it's often called the science of success, but it is not a science, right? It's just a model. It's a model of how our brains process information and how we do things like procrastination and self-sabotage and get over anxious about maybe doing that thing that's going to help us grow our business, right? Our brains process information in a certain way. Now, you're used to language. And if I say to you, you understand the words I'm saying now, right? So I know you understand English, right? You'll go, yes. So when I say to you, so you understand the words do not, you'll go, yeah, I understand that. So I'm going to say to you now, do not under any circumstances think of a blue elephant with wings flying over the Eiffel Tower in France in the moonlight. Now, I know if I say that to 100 people and I could say to them, how big were the wings on your elephant? 99.9% of people, right? Probably, 99.99999% of people are going to be able to answer the question. Because the only way you can make sense, right, of those words are to make a picture of a blue elephant with wings flying over the Eiffel Tower in France in the moonlight in your mind, right? And this is what fascinates me. So when we think about, I'm going to make a video and I'm not going to be scared to do it. I'm going to go and I'm going to refer 100 people into my business. I'm going to go and do these ads and it's going to be great, right? All of these negative things can come up, and to understand those kind of, but will it work? And am I good enough? And what will people think of me if I do a video? And all these things, these come up and they play in our head. And we tend to get what we focus on. And all NLP is a model of how this works. It doesn't necessarily mean it's 100% accurate, but it is a useful model because it works in being able to control these things and literally program our brains in the way that serves us in a better way. So if you stick with me over the course of, I don't know, I'll probably do like 5 to 10 of these, just little short 5-10 minute trainings that are going to introduce you to an aspect of NLP and how it can help you. Now, if after you've seen one or two or any of these and you think, do you know what, I'm really into this, I'd like more of this, okay, I have a 15-minute video you can watch that explains how these things trip up online marketers and, more importantly, what to do about it. So if you'd like to watch the 15-minute video, whoever shared this with you, they can share that with you, okay? And that's not a problem. They'll share it with you, or if you're watching it with me, or if there's a button around this video, just click that. But it's only 15 minutes, goes into a lot more detail, and it might surprise you. I asked probably around about 100 in the end. I don't know exactly, but I didn't count at the time. But I was lucky enough to do some training. So I probably asked in the region of 100 or so online marketers what was stopping them being successful. And I wrote the answers on a flip chart. You can see that flip chart, so you can see the answers for yourself. You might be surprised, okay? What outweighed the kind of, I don't know how to build a lead capture page and I don't know how to generate a lead, was vastly outweighed by, I'm a perfectionist, I self-sabotage, I don't know, I just, never get started. I'm scared of doing anything. Those sort of things vastly outweigh all the other stuff. And that's the stuff that most people focus on, right? So I knew it was time for somebody, and I'm doing it, to switch tables. And I'm teaching you the stuff that worked for me, right? The stuff that's worked for me and got me where I am. And on the 15-minute video, you can see some of that for yourself as well. So I'll let you go and check that out, or ask for it, and look for some free trainings on this NLP stuff. It's really, really good.